Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. For this episode, we will be solving some math problems involving the applications of the property of parallel lines. Okay, let's start. Application problems involving the property of parallel lines typically involve two parallel lines with transversals crossing between them, and the task is to find the value or the measure of angle X, angle A, angle B, and angle C. Okay, take a look at this first figure. Parallel lines are line L and line M. Transversals are these lines, okay, that cross or meet at this point. Okay, take note, these transversals are between parallel lines L and M. So our task is to find the measure of angle X, angle A, angle B. Okay, what about in this second figure? Parallel lines are line L and line M. Transversals are these two lines that cross or meet at this point. So we will find the measure of angle A, B, and angle C. Okay, actually, there are formulas on how to find the measure of these angles. In figure number 1, to find the measure of angle X, okay, angle X is equal to angle A plus angle B. In figure number 2, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, but we should not just memorize these formulas. It's because they can put lots of transversals or lines between the parallel lines. So if you will just memorize the formulas, then it will be very confusing to find the measure of the angles. So the important thing is you have to understand the given and the figure. And the key point is we will draw a helping line. Okay, so what is a helping line? How are we going to draw the helping line? Helping line is parallel to line L and line M. And we will draw that to where the transversals meet or cross. Okay, it must be parallel to line L and M to where the transversals meet or cross. So that means helping line is this line. Okay, now after drawing the helping line, we can now apply the property of parallel lines. This angle and this angle are alternate interior angles. If this is angle A, then that means this angle is also angle A. Okay, this angle and this angle are also alternate interior angles. If this is angle B, then this angle is also angle B. So to find angle X, angle A, okay, plus angle B. Okay, now, what about this second figure? Okay, we have to draw the helping line parallel to line L and M and to where the transversals meet or cross. So this is the crossing point. So our helping line is this line. Okay, now apply the property of parallel lines. This is angle A. This angle A and this angle are alternate interior angles. So if this is angle A, then that means this is also angle A. Okay, next. This angle and this angle are also alternate interior angles. So if this is angle C, then that means this is also angle C. And if you're going to take a look at this one, this is a straight line. Okay, we know that straight line measures 180 degrees. So, angle A, okay, angle B, angle C, we have to add these angles together, and that is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, now, let's answer this concept check question. In the following diagram, when line L and M are parallel lines, this is the process to find angle A. So we're going to find the correct values. Okay, where's angle A? This angle. Okay, when a line N parallel to the given line L is drawn through the bending point, okay, where is our line N? This is line N, and this is our helping line. Okay, this is parallel to line L and line M, and we draw this one to where our transversal meet or cross. So N is our helping line. Okay, now we apply the property of parallel lines. This angle and this angle are alternate interior angles. If this is 35 degrees, then angle B is also 35 degrees. It's because it's an alternate interior angle. So B is 35 degrees. Okay, what about angle C? Where's angle C? This angle. Okay, this angle C and this angle are also, okay, alternate interior angles. If this is 65 degrees, then angle C is also 65 degrees. Okay, so angle A or this angle is equal to angle B, okay, plus angle C. And this is equal to, okay, 35 plus 65. Then this is equal to 100 degrees. Okay, now let's answer this simple activity. In the figure, we will find the measure of angle X when line L and M are parallel lines. So where's angle X? Okay, this angle. L and M are parallel lines. Okay, these are the transversals that meet or cross at this point. So to find the measure of angle X, we will draw a helping line. Helping line must be parallel to line L and M, and we have to draw it to where the transversals cross or meet. So our helping line is this line. Okay, apply the property of parallel lines. This angle and this angle are in alternate interior angles. If this is 38 degrees, then this is also 38 degrees. Okay, now, this angle and this angle are also alternate interior angles. But we don't know the measure of this angle. There is a given here that this angle is 42 degrees. This angle and this angle are vertical angles. We know that vertical angles always are equal in measure. So if this is 42 degrees, then that means this is also 42 degrees. If this is 42 degrees, then this angle is also 42 degrees because these are alternate interior angles. So to find angle X, okay, angle X is equal to 38 degrees plus 42 degrees. 38 plus 42, then this is equal to 80. So 80 degrees. Angle X is 80 degrees.